and I did not record these things. Let me go back how to create a campaign. How to create a campaign? You go to the campaign here, this icon. When you click on it, they are going to show you people whom you are having. So I have 11 contacts, and those are all are subscribers. So a user has the right to unsubscribe. Are you getting me? You can unsubscribe from your mail list because it's no longer interested in your something what you was pushing. Like as you guys, as I told you, when you check on your email address, you find many emails there, some which you don't know. So you can unsubscribe. Down there, there's unsubscribe what element. So you come here and create mailchimp, and you create. You look for this one and design. So we are going to design. Whenever you import, you receive an email. So let me show you my email platform. My email, you are they show audience import complete. So every step you reach on, MailChimp is going to what? Send you a message. So guys, we have a campaign, and this campaign you have to give it a name. Which campaign do you know companies make? Kale for Jumia, who can tell me any campaign Jumia has made? Kale.
Jumia food campaign.
There is Jumia. Kale, let me use Jumia anniversary. And I save it. There is someone who is in a club, can say, okay. We are targeting these people, 11 recipients. If I'm not targeting these people, if I have different mail lists, I have for BBA, I have for BCom, I have for different departments, I can come here and edit, and I look for that for those. But currently, right now I have only one. Are you getting me? So I'm targeting these 11 recipients. Are we together on that? So from here, I'm going to add from who? From Brian@poerope.com. From me. Or you can edit this email. Which another thing? Subject. Jumia anniversary. Let me hope the English is very well. Anniversary. Preview text. Let me leave that. Those are useless. Another thing, I'm going to design my email. I'm going to design an email, and I'm going to select such that I get a template. Let me use this template, or select a template. So selecting a template, when you see I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this. Let me use the first one. So I don't expect you to do the same. You beautify your email address to be more appealing, like it. I don't know. Put in more things. I'm going to share this recording. This the same recording here. What I've done, the steps. So those who have got bad internet, you sort about talk about. Now, the first thing, what you do, you put your cursor up on the logo and you press delete. And press delete. I don't want an image there, and I want an heading. And an heading is going to be Jumia anniversary. Jumia anniversary. Now, another thing I think I did not talk about is that people who are working in marketing, they work with a closely with department called the graphics design. People who are into IT, those who design for logos. You cannot making the videos, making the logos, all those graphics part. You deal with them closely. You ask what you need, and they design for you, and it's marketing people who give jobs to If you don't exist, these people of graphics, they don't exist because we're the one who have to advise. This promotion advertising. Let me go to internet and I put in Jumia anniversary. And you see the promotion advert they used. Anniversary. Let me go to images. I think how they look like. It's what I've been telling you, that before going to promotion, you're the one to advise a company. And by the way, and another thing, the company bends on you mostly on many things, many things, because we're the one who helps the company to increase their sales. Hope we are together on that. Now you come back here. This place where you see a cashew, I have to add an image. So I'm going to press a plus button. From a plus button, I'm going to come on my right. Next step, I'm going to replace. I saw a replace. I'm going to upload. So I'm going to upload the other image. So my image, it is on desktop. It's on desktop. I'm going to upload it. It's going to come like this. Automatically. There we go. Right? Here, let me remove this one. I don't want it. Delete. Down here, I don't want this what? I told you this is a template. You can you can remove everything which you don't need. Okay, now let me get some wording for Jumia anniversary advert. What is very long? 6 day expect Jumia Uganda. I come here, the heading. Let me show you something. When I put my cursor on the first one, the box come. When I put here where the image, the box come. These are in shells. Now I'm in the callus box. So I'm going to click on the pen. Where there is pen, when you click on the pen on your right, they bring you option for editing. So these words, I'm going to remove them and replace for what I've copied. And the first one, I'm going to put it Jumia. Which English is this? Okay. Jumia Uganda. 6 days to Jumia anniversary sales are here. Some of deals to expect. Simple, precise. Now, this button, what is the importance of this button? This button. When someone clicks on that button, have you ever seen somewhere that when you click on that button, takes you somewhere? Now I'm going to teach you how to connect a button to a link. What you do, you come to this link, to this button. You click on that cell like that. And that button, there is a word, start shopping. I think I'm going to leave it. Now, when someone clicks on this link, I want this person to be going where? To be going to the Jumia website. So you have to direct people where where your products are. If you go on television and you advertise for moves that we have a new intake, we are taking students ABC. You are calling people to go and visit your website and you have to put the address. Are you understanding? For Jumia, they don't have an address where they are located. They are located online. So you have to www.jumia.ug and you place. Now you have found Jumia with all their products. Some people, they call these people to their what? to their something, to their shops. We are located here, please come and support us, like that and that. So you are directing people to this website. Are you getting what I'm doing, you guys?
Yes, we are getting.
Yes, we are following.
Okay, after you come and remove this link, Jumia, and you come and you go to your website and you come. I see where is web URL. You come and put it there, right? That is done case. So whenever someone is going to click here, it's going to be directed to this website instantly. To find more products, that's why people, the richest person in the world is called who is the richest person in the world? It's called who?
Bill Gates.
Another person. Okay, the richest person, Bill Gates dropped.
Is Jeff who?
Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is the richest person, and that guy, he owns what's called Amazon. Amazon. People who, there is a lot of money in online, and the guy has Amazon platform where they sell everything online. Right. People who sell online, they make a lot of money, and they don't ask a lot of money. I tell you, people who sell a lot, even this Jumia, they make a lot of money. Well, because you're going to find every product. That's one thing. Another thing, these people, they don't have risks for renting. They need only to put a store where they are going to keep their things. Secondly, they don't own these products. Jumia does not. This belt, watch, watches. Which other things am I saying here? This is they don't own them. Do you know supermarkets how they work? So the way supermarkets work is that I have my building, I have a big space at Intinda. I'm going to get a marketeer to go to Bulband, Unilever guys, and to go to all big guys to go, and those guys are going to bring their things and they put them into the what? If you go to those places, you find that their things are arranged. Blades, what people bring and put them there. When we sell them off, you come and get what? Are you getting that? So that's the ideology these guys online people use. They don't own these things. People have them. Once you order, that's why they take some days. They have to go and package it, and it's like from Jumia, but from another person. So that's how these people make money. They make money in your money. They make money in your own investment a lot. Okay, we'll leave that. We go to the last tab. This is the social media part. When you click on the social media part, we have Facebook, we have what? We have Twitter, we have Instagram, and these things you are going to learn them, but I want them to how to create these pages. But when if Jumia, their page, direct to facebook.com/Jumia. Jumia. Twitter. This I can put Facebook down. Twitter, I put the same thing, Jumia. Instagram, the link down is Jumia, the same way. Website, the website URL, www.jumia.ug. This is HH. Okay, anyway, it will redirect, even if it is not, it will redirect to the original. Anyway, Now, when a person clicks on this one, is going to go to the Facebook page. Like that. This link, this icon, which is like a chain, that's a website. Copyright. We go to copyright. We go to this part for the copyright. Yeah. The last block. Now, this code, this last part, which is in black, is called a footer. A footer. Those who have ever done Word, you have seen add a footer. Even here we have footers. So that last part is called a footer. Now, copyright at current year, we remove the star and put 2021. The company Jumia, all right reserved. That's copyright. This part you can add your own words. I'm leaving them out. Here you can put the email address. You can find us at info@jumia.ug. We want to change now this part, not this, but you might find this question. You might be given a question and they ask you a tricky question like this. Can a subscriber, if you remove this, that is an error. A user has to unsubscribe from your list. You have to leave this part. You don't need to force people into what they don't want. Are you getting me? This part has to be left. If it is not there, you are done. So note this, and they might ask you this and you don't understand. This is a tricky question. Can user remain on your, can user is unsubscribe button necessary on your email, on email marketing, or unsubscribing, or on any campaign which you are creating? Is it necessary? Very necessary. If this one, and by the way, if you dare delete this, it won't close. It will just give you an error. Are you getting that? So you can remove, and you remove this one. You leave that one. And after you save. When you save, my website looks like this. After I press continue, and my campaign looks like this. After I just press send, and I'm sent to 11 people, and I keep quiet. So all of you who have given me your email address, first check your emails and you see if you have still received my email. I'm waiting for what you tell me. Did you receive my email? Check your email address. Okay. Another thing, you guys, the last thing is to tracking. How many people have opened? How many people have read? Like that. So you come here to track your statistics. Let it run very well.
I've seen the email.
You have seen the email. I hope you guys, you have seen that. I think another part of tracking, I'm not going into that. I'm going to start with it on Monday. Or I'm going to start with it on Monday as we finalizing the email marketing. We are finalizing email marketing on Monday. All the steps we are finalizing it on Monday. So other things like timetable to change. Our colleagues are making some research, knowing which days time you are going to be learning. So they want to make this timetable comfortable, and they will give you time to know. And on Monday we have a physical class. So That's about the part of mailchimp. The task which I'm leaving you, and we are how many? We are like 15, but here I'm seeing 12. I know some of you have challenges. The task which I'm leaving with you, create a mailchimp. Let me put it in chat. Create a campaign using mailchimp selling any existing product. Selling any existing product on the market currently. Me to know, add me in your contacts, add me, add Brian at PowerPay. Brian is small b, Brian at powerpay.com. After you send that campaign, when you send, I will receive your work. Is that clear? Anything which is not clear? For those who are using phones, I know this. I know exporting might confuse you. Let me create for you. A sheet. But for you who are using computers, create it starting from the beginning. For these people who are using phones, let me check and I see customers. Now, for you who are using phones, let me add myself here down, and I send you Brian 07 blah 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 Brian. This is what I've been meaning at powerpay.com. There. File, download, comma separated value. Another thing people who are currently, I did not come with my Android phone. I would have looked and I checked, but for people who are using phones, you go to the free icons, you click on that free icon, it takes you to the free dots. They take you to what? Am I forgetting also? They take you to share and export or save, and you look for comma separated value. But the problem you might find is in downloading it. Anyway, downloading it. Okay, use mine. Use mine. If I put it in chat, can you download it? Guys, can you download it? Are you getting, is anyone getting me, or I'm talking to myself?
Yes, we can.
You can download it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, if you can download it and put it on your computer. So that's what you are going to import, and you send the campaign. All another trick people do. What you do, you come to where? Am I getting lost here? Let me go to the home button. You come to contacts and add. Yeah, you can add manually. I don't know if you guys saw that. Audience management. Audience. Let me click here at audience. Audience. Okay, I'm back there. Let me go to all the contacts. All the contacts. Remember, I have 11 people. I want to add Brian at poeropay.com. I don't know if they might accept me. You come here to add the contacts and add a subscriber. I'm adding one person, like one. Yeah? I want to send this person. Those who might fail, you will do that. Brian at poeropay.com. Hey, where does capital letter come from? At poeropay.com. First name, last name, Kampala, Uganda, ABC, name, Brian. I press subscribe. So I've added this person manually. So any question, guys? So those who have not understood, you will go and help other guys. Please, can you verify they have permission? Can I use my audience? Can I use my? Please verify that you have permission to add a subscriber. I have to go back and subscribe. Anyway. Anyway, they're telling me to verify to add the subscribers, but the other part, that's what we do. Anyway, I don't have this time to go to do more stuff. So guys, any challenge, anything you want, anything I've not talked about here? Have you, which means you understood things? Okay. Okay.